Thank you for your interest in completing the intention form for your child in Creation Station Preschool for 2020-21. This is a video to show you how to register for 3-school preschool, 1 to grow on, and Spanish Immersion Preschool. If you're interested in registering for kindergarten or first grade Spanish Immersion, you will need to click on the Spanish Immersion link on the Pella Christian Grade School website, which is under About and then Spanish Immersion. Please submit separate forms if you are registering more than one of your children. For example, if you're completing an intention form for 1 child in 3-school and 1 child in 1 to grow on, please submit an intention form for your 3-year-old first, then begin the simple process again for your child going into 1 to grow on. Both children will be admitted into the classes based on your family's first timestamp. Each year we receive feedback regarding the intention form process, and concerns have been expressed over the advantages of the use of form fillers by some families who have a deeper knowledge of technology tools. Due to this concern, we want you to know that we will likely be changing the order of the questions, the format of the questions, the wording of the questions to at least control the use of form fillers. Today's video will demonstrate how the process will look when the intention form goes active on March 3rd at 9 p.m., but please know that the form itself will be different. When registering for 3-school, preschool, 1 to grow on, Spanish Immersion Preschool, please follow these steps. Your first step is to go to the Pella Christian Grade School website. It's www.pellachristian.net. Next, you're going to click on this. You're going to run your cursor over schools, and you're going to click on the preschool link. On the preschool link, there is a hyperlink to the 2020-21 Creation Station intention form. You are going to click on that. This is the page that you will land on when you click on that. You'll notice that there is no Creation Station intention form at this time. That form will become active on Tuesday, March 3rd at 9 p.m. And this is what it will look like. Here's a next important step. Make sure that you properly refresh the page. If you sit and wait for this page to change at 9 p.m., on March 3rd, nothing will happen. You need to either hit the refresh button on your site, or you can do what I'm about to do and click on the URL and hit the enter or return button. Once you do that, this is what will happen. Notice the link to the Creation Station intention form is now activated. I'm going to click on this, and here you have a basic form that's asking for very simple information to register your son or daughter for one of the Creation Station preschool listings. At this time, I'm going to take a moment to complete it. And then I'm going to hit the submit button. Once you hit the submit button, your submission will be time stamped to the nearest 1/100th of a second. I'm now going to show you the screen that shows all of the timestamps. This is the spreadsheet that we use to assign students to the classes. You'll notice that the timestamp is right here. We ask that families only submit 1 registration form, and we will determine the class list by using only the first timestamp from each family. We promise that we're going to continue to improve our preschool intention form process each year, and we are interested in your feedback. Please send an email to beyert@pellachristian.net. That's BEYERT@pellachristian.net if you'd like to share your input on how we can improve the intention form process. I want to thank you for partnering with Creation Station Preschool to help your child develop spiritually, physically, socially, emotionally, and intellectually through curriculum that's rooted in God's Word.